Why are sunsets red?
'Cause sunsets are romantic.
Nah. It is basically because of scattering of light in the atmosphere. Our atmosphere is primarily composed of tiny nitrogen and oxygen particles. Now usually, when sunlight comprising of 7 colors passes through the atmosphere, it hits the nitrogen and oxygen particles. These particles scatter blue and violet light more as compared to red, orange, and other colored lights. Hence, mostly bluish light enters our eyes, thus making the sky to usually appear blue. However, during sunset, the sunlight must pass through a greater distance in the Earth's atmosphere, causing it to pass through more particles. As a result, most of the blue and violet light gets scattered before they reach our eyes. Due to this, the less scattered light like red or orange reaches our eyes, making the sunset appear red.